Morning, everyone. It's 8:32, and the economic numbers came out. So let's get right to them. FOMC minutes comes out this afternoon at 2 o'clock. Durable goods orders pretty much in line, but every single one a bit of a disappointment. Um, Durable goods up 0.4%. Expectation was 0.7. Ex food and energy up 0.3 versus expected up 0.6. As I said, FOMC comes at 2 o'clock, and let's see, mortgage apps were basically unchanged. The Dow was down about 185 before the news, currently down 179, so no real change. Down 76 in the NASDAQ, still down 76. S&P got a little bit better. It was down 23, now it's down 19. So interesting. Okay, Europe is up a little after yesterday's rally here, and Asia is mixed. Starbulk, SBLK, had their earnings report yesterday. They beat top and bottom line, and they also declared the first quarter's dividend of $1.65. So in the last 12 months, the stock has paid $4.85 in dividends. Pretty good for a stock that is currently 33.5, up 71, but a stock that we own around 20. Nelson Peltz at Tryon, looking at Wendy's. Wendy's last year was about 29 on the high, closed yesterday 16.27. It's been as high as 18.80 this morning. The last is 17.63. That's up $1.36 or 8.3%. Dick's Sporting Goods, they beat top and bottom, but their guidance was very weak. The stock closed 71.24, got down as low as about 57. Is coming back a little. It's about 63, but that's still down. Around $8. It was down about 17%. Remember that this one in the past year was 143. Nordstrom beat, surprised them, they said. Stock closed 2068 yesterday. Overnight, it had traded, or at the end after they reported after the close, traded as high as 25.49. Last is 21.55. That's up 87 cents or 4%. This company has been talked about as a takeover. They've talked about taking it private, but every time it comes up, all you hear is there's no one who's willing to fund the deal. So maybe that'll change here. Chart on the screen is the oil. It is back up again. It looks to me like it really wants to go higher. I know that it doesn't mean much, but we haven't had a lower high since this bottom in December, early December of last year. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, again, and now. So until this gets broken, as soon as that trend gets broken, we can start to talk about it. But clearly, no reason for it to look like anything but up. Also, the nat gas this morning, trading 9.21. That is a new recovery high. It made a new high yesterday, and here we are today. Let's take a little closer look here. We just keep moving higher. Same situation here, though. A low, a higher low, higher low, higher, higher, higher. So this too looks like it wants to go higher. The grains are down across the board. Gold and silver both down after yesterday's rally. Copper, the same thing, sitting right near support, right at support, really. 420. The low today is 422.30. On the softs, we have cotton up yeah 2.19. Coffee is lower. Remember, I pointed out that Head and Shoulders to you. The lumber is up a little, even with yesterday's horrendous numbers. Stocks, it looks like, gaining back a little bit more. The dollar had its first rally in a while. Let's take a look at that one. Um, After coming down this hard, so far it's rallied right back up to the falling 5-day moving average. It could get as high as 102.75, 103. But I think that the trend here is still down. Take a look and see what Bitcoin is up $50, Ethereum is down $10, and the bonds are up 3/4 of a point. Okay, everyone, be careful out there. I'll be back later when they have the Fed minutes.